It's a fairly expensive business. You'll find out through the morning when we talk to some more indies just how expensive it can be to put a band together and pay for it yourself and get it on the road and get a record out. Here they are, Itchy Feet with Lonely Dreamer in the top 40 in Sydney. Watch out, Melbourne, they're on their way. Tim and Richard, thank you. Thank them, please. Itchy Feet on sound. Nice to have you in, fellas. Good luck in the future. It's going to be all right.
Well, God was dead, he sensed you could smell the stench in the air. His eyes were eyes that saw the light that's meant to spare. He'd accept the iconoclast cake if he could hold the straws to their world. Prompted by liquor, his thoughts ran onto paper and the ink ran with liquor in its turn. No, lonely dreamer, what is your name? Lonely dreamer, we called you and so lonely dreamer, the age of young but you made your own dreamer, lonely dreamer, you died by the two at sea. It seems by them too.